When draining the oil on the CR250, it's a 17 millimeter right there. What I normally do is I get a snack jar or whatever. I got a Norimaki assortment container right here. Obviously, I've ate all of the contents. So instead of just chucking it, save it, and you can use it as a handy dandy receptacle for your oil. As you can see, the stock crush washer has been completely crushed out. It's non-serviceable. So I went on eBay and I bought these copper ones. They're the same size. You can do what you want. You can go to Honda and spend $5 and get the original one, or you can buy a whole bunch of them for $5. I've also bought these for the regular automobile applications. They're really cheap and they're great insurance, so you don't get a leak. In the manual it says that your transmission oil should be changed at least every 3 races or 7.5 hours of operation. And the torque for your drain bolt is 22 foot-pounds or 29 Newton meters, whatever you prefer. And your oil capacity is 0.69 US quart, and if it's 0.74 if you disassemble the whole engine. Recommended motor oil is ProComp Honda HP Trans Oil GN4 HP without molybdenum additives. The reason why that is, a lot of the synthetics have that additive and it will cause your clutch to slip, trust me. Just run 1040 oil, motorcycle grade quality.